nililigawan ko siya. But guys, hindi ko pa natanggap ng letter. I'm still hanging, honestly. I'm still hanging from yung binigay kong sulat. Good afternoon, everybody. We're on the way to San Francisco. It was a crazy schedule so far. So we flew in from Aruba last night. I'm gonna wait till more people jump in. Hello, Ate Arlene. You are still gising ka pa? Grabe. Hello, Gina. Hello, Jacqueline. Hello, June. Hello, Yan Yan. Hello, Cecily. Cecily. Hi from the Cayman Islands. Dang, we got Filipinos in the Cayman Islands. Shira, hello to you. I need a haircut. Hello po, watching from Taiwan. Taiwan, watching from the UAE. Hello, Ash. Calbayog, Samar. We in the van. We got little Eddie in the house over here. We got Lisa and Joe, Uncle Joe. And of course, we got Corey in the front, Coco Productions, and that's the homie Doble. Yeah. So yeah, we have a show in San Leandro, and I'm very excited because it's my first time in the Bay in like, I want to say 3 years. Hello, Ruth from Hawaii, Maui Wowie. The Maui Wowie. Hello, Mercy, watching from Las Vegas. Rovic, thank you so much. Yeah, kagabi. So, nanalo po ako ng Male R&B Artist of the Year sa PMPC. So, thank you guys. And syempre, sobrang salamat sa representative ko na tinanggap niya yung award ko on my behalf. Ganda naman ng representative ko, di ba? Chick, thank you so much. It means so much that you did that for me. Honestly, maraming salamat. I know you're asleep right now. That's why I'm not bothering you, but wala lang, masaya ako. And I've seen some of the videos na nagsisirculate and wala lang, napapasmile lang talaga ako. Thank you. Kakatapos lang manood na ulit ng mga vlog ni Miss B. Hello from Oregon. Hello. Congratulations. Thanks, Ruth. How's everybody today? Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. So I woke up at 10 o'clock. Kasi yung call time namin was 11. I woke up at 10 o'clock to get ready, pack. Nakakapagod kaya yung biyahe. Nakakapagod. So we got home. I got home like at 2 a.m. Went online for a little bit kasi inayos ko yung arrival ni Miss B dun sa Star Awards. I'm good, thank you. I was coordinating with the teams and everything, so ayun.
I'm telling them about Nick, Eric.
Oh yeah. So I slept mga 4 na siguro ako nakatulog. And I woke up at 10, so
At a time.
yeah.
This is my friend.
Hello Sonia, hello Kimberly. Yes, happy ako.
Hey.
Oh, Kimberly, she's a subscriber. Hello sa mga subscribers ko dyan. So in a little bit, lilipat tayo sa Red app, okay? Kasi
So he's like always
gusto ko mag-live dun sa Red app.
and so he would the last
And yes, I'm very, very excited to do the show. Kasi first time ko ulit sa SF. And it's which one is that? Is that the Transit? There, that's the one that kind of. Oh no, that's a Transit. Never mind. Ano sinasabi ko ulit? Siguro walang breakfast kasi wala pang kain. But I'm excited to do the show. But I I'm very, very excited kunin yung letter. Kasi nandun na sa San Francisco yung letter na binibigay ni Miss P sa akin. So I'm excited to get the letter. And pinag-iisipan ko pa kung babasahin ko on live or kung babasahin ko mag-isa. Parang gusto ko solohin kasi, di ba? Or babasahin ko tapos naka-video. Happy po ba ang letter? Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko pa nakuha. So hindi ko pa alam yung sagot. Actually, inunahan ako ni Tito Boy. Inunahan kami ng GMA News kasi marami ako nakikitang nilabas nila na officially nililigawan ko siya. But guys, hindi ko pa natanggap yung letter. I'm still hanging, honestly. I'm still hanging from yung binigay kong sulat. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung sagot. So, medyo nagulat ako na nag-post ng GMA kasi for me, hindi pa official kasi hindi ko pa nababasa. So, iniisip ko kung paano nangyari yon. Baka kasi nag-post kasi ako sa IG. Iba kasi pag pinost mo sa IG daw, iba daw pag pinost mo sa Facebook. Ewan ko. So I posted yung reel namin pinost ko yung reel namin from Hong Kong and nirepost niya sa stories niya. So, baka since nirepost niya sa stories, baka that's how they thought na official. Baka lang. I could be wrong. Sorry, hindi ko na mabas. Kailan New York? Sana soon yung New York. Actually, I'll be in Jersey. I will be in Jersey in September. I believe there's a Jersey, Florida, Vancouver, and Washington. So hindi pa sure kasi hindi pa ako pumipirma ng kontrata, but that's with ABS. So abangan niyo po yan. Sana matuloy. It's up to you, Mr. B. We respect that. Pero hulaan ko na lang ang sagot niya. I think it's a yes. Sana yes. Sana. Kung ano man yung sagot, okay lang. Kasi tulad ng sinabi ko, hindi naman ako nagmamadali. At masaya ako. And masaya ako sa nangyayari. I'm happy to be given the opportunity again to be given a chance to be Katie's... ano ba yan? Katie's dad full-time and my support sa kanila. Okay na ba ang letter, Mr. B.S. Alright, 2.4 2.4k. Pag naka 3k tayo, lilipat tayo sa red app. Okay guys? If you don't know what the red app is, yung mga may alam, pakisabi na lang dyan kung ano yung red app. Kasi I think bawal ko sabihin. Wala po ba sa LA? Wala pa po. Kasi nakailan shows na din na ako sa LA last year and this year. Last year and the year before that. So, pahinga muna ang LA. Baka magsawa kayo sa akin. Hi ma! Kamusta po kayo dyan? From Japan. Si Mama Nilo. Hello. Baka naman nabasa or nabasa? Nabasa. Hindi. Wala pa sa akin yung letter, guys. And lately, I've been buying Boston hats kasi may B dito. Mr. B. It's me, Mr. B. Hi, I'm Jinlin. Hello sa mga subscribers ko dyan. And baka basahin ko yung letter sa members only sa Red app. Yeah. Oo nga, no. Solohin mo na lang muna po. If you want, video mo na lang. Pero that's a great idea. Maybe I'll do that. Baka solohin ko lang. Tapos, Pero i-video ko na lang. Hindi ko alam. Pag-isipan ko. Love you, ma. Sa mga nandyan, welcome po. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Vancouver. Yes, meron Vancouver. Because I will be in... Ano ba ulit yun? I know I have Victoria, BC, July 31st. I have Winnipeg, July 25. And then Lloydminster, July 9. I have Lloydminster, July 9. So I have 3 shows in Canada this trip.
You know where his voice is like, yeah, and very big. And I'm like, yo, you gotta change.
Ooh, Maricar from Glendale. Malapit yun sa akin dito. Mr. B, ganda-ganda ng kinuhang award mo. Di ba? Ganda ng representative ko. Honestly, that meant the world to me. Sa kay Miss B, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. I wasn't there. I wasn't able to see the live kasi tulog nung time na yung pagod ako. But I saw nakita ko yung mga videos na nag-circulate and sobrang saya ko. Thank you so much for doing that for me. That meant the world. That meant everything to me. Kasi, di ba, you could have said no. You could have said no. You didn't have to do that, but you did. And doon pa lang, it really...
From 4 to 3. Hey.
Is the lunchbox there?
Yes.
You got the Sakai on.
Yeah, it's a kind.
It can happen any time, anybody, right?
Oh, shoot! Anybody want some prutas?
Some what?
Prutas? I did bring. I always bring. I got some pineapple and I got some melons. Sorry guys, we went through a dead spot earlier. Allah, nabawasan yung viewers natin. Ay, that always happens when we go through a dead spot. Siguro akala nila na nag-finish ako ng live. But I'm gonna go as live for as long as I can. Lucky charm mo talaga ang mag-ina mo. That's true. That is the truth. We are stronger together.
I reached out to your pops and I had my pops break when he's a regular.
Pinaghanda talaga ni Miss B pagtanggap award niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Maganda talaga siya. But like I said, Tito Boy, mas gusto ko siya walang makeup. Ganda-ganda niya pag walang makeup. Watching, shout out to the people in the UAE. At 2 o'clock guys, lilipat tayo sa Red App. Okay? Okay. Going to Shuttle. I have a tentative Washington in September. And I'll be with some ABS artists. Tentative po yan. Thanks, Jack.
Hello?
Kasi nawawala ako kasi yan nga, nawawala ang signal. But I'm back and kasi dumaan kami sa mga mountains. Tuloy po ba sa Toronto? Trixie, I'm not. No, hindi na tuloy sa Toronto. Yeah, pasensya na guys sa signal ha. Pasensya na po kasi we're on the road and hindi naka-starlink dito sa van. So, sana may concert ka din sa UK. Yes, sana. Kasi alam mo, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Europe. In my 20 years in the business, I have never been to Europe. So I would love to go there, guys. I want to go to London. I want to go to France. I want to go to Paris. I want to go to the UK. Brother Ray, how you doing, brother? Hope all is well, my brother. Kain po.
Yes, the next one coming up, right?
All right.
Yes, it's off of exit 219.
All right, we're climbing again.
219. Oh, hey.
So guys,
Next one, go to the next one then. It's okay if you can get in front of it. No, it's okay. I kind of didn't give you notice.
ingat. Thank you. Oh, look, Coco, we are excited to have you back here in Maryland. Someone's commenting, Eva. How's Miss B? Miss B is tulog. Oo nga, sana. Shout out to Fam Squad.
Yeah. Yes, before Bakersfield's coming up.
So ayun guys, meron akong bagong kanta. It's out already. Hindi ako nakapag-promo ng maayos, but thank you to the KKK fam, to everybody. Please share,
All my life.
please like and share. The new song is called Unlove
Yeah.
You.
From here all the way up. This is
So
born and
that's
raised.
the song that's with me and this man right here, Little Eddie. So if you guys know the song, Statue. I'm like a statue, staring right at you. Shayun guys. And mamaya, I'll have him hop on the live and talk to you guys because he's such a good guy. Sobrang bait niya. Sobrang talented. Siya yung, I think of all the songwriters that I've worked with, Little Eddie is the best that I've worked with. Siya and si Tito Benny, syempre. But
Okay, well we missed it big time. So should
when
just keep- should
we
just keep
did
going?
Unlove You
Let's just keep
last
going.
year pa. We did Unlove You last, I want to say end of July, August. Because we shot the video also in August already. So matagal na tapos yan.
I'm 1 week.
Okay, matagal na tapos yan. And
August 25.
it's about the one that you can never unlove. So I'll let you guys think about kung sino kanino para kanino yung kanta. Been playing since day one. Thank you.
His birthday just passed. Mine is the 12th.
No, hindi ko pa nabasa, guys. Nasa San Francisco pa yung letter. Kaya pupunta kami dun. And I'm excited to read it. Ayan, so please stream Unlove You guys out sa lahat ng platforms. That's me with Lil Eddie. Mamaya makakapag-chikahan tayo with Lil Eddie. Medyo busy siya ngayon. He's talking to Joe and Lisa. So Joe is like my boy out here. He helps me out a lot. He's like my road manager out here. And Lisa is my attorney. So we come as like a package deal. And we just came back from Aruba. Mag-asawa yun si Joe and Lisa. And Joe has been getting, ang tawag ni Katie sa kanya si Uncle Joe. Mag-asawa sila. So they're like my best friends. The song is for Miss B. It says Kathleen Samantha. Yeah. Thank you. I hope you guys like the song. It's we're trying to go kasi for the international market. So don't worry. Gagawa din tayo ng mga Tagalog para sa mga Pinoy, but right now we're trying to capitalize and we're trying to hit the international market. Kaya ganun yung tunog ng Unlove You.
I hope to see you on it.
Because honestly, I believe Pinoys deserve a spot in the international market. Diba? Don't you guys think so? You guys are our happiness. We love you guys so much. We're so grateful for you guys, honestly. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. Next up ba yung signal? K-Trends Global in the house. Hello K-Trends Global and K-Trends Middle East. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Grabe naman. Ang laki ng binawas ah. So we're on the road, guys, and expect nyo na maging intermittent yung yung internet. Pero wag kayo bibitiw. Bibitaw. Bibitiw or bibitaw? ano ayun tama? Wag kayong bibitaw.
In Europe and Italy, over here they make
Yung signal bibitaw pero kayo wag kayong bibitaw kasi hindi rin ako bibitaw.
here all the time. Every other day.
Kapit lang, guys. Kapit lang. Watching from Winnipeg, Canada. Hello, Maribel.
It's all
I'm gonna be there July 25. July 25 in Winnipeg.
here in America.
Get your tickets now. Ikalat nyo na darating si Mr. B sa Winnipeg. It's gonna be a good show.
Let me down.
I like to have fun with you guys.
Oh, gave in to the big companies.
And the last time I was in Winnipeg
But you have no choice.
was, I believe, 2008. 2008 or 2009. I was with Sarah.
It starts with the seeds, right? Like if you kill all the crops and you go back to the farmers, they're like, we have no choice but to use these seeds.
Yeah.
Farmers have no choice, so the original seeds are gone. It's all GMO shit. Yeah. It's like, so we're gonna
KKK
get
Chicago chapter? Grabe.
seeds from another
Grabe
place,
kayo.
Went to your house and started freaking like basically.
Wag bibitaw.
Charlie Wilson. His friend has like certification to like sell.
Solid here, walang iwanan.
Because he has like 3 or 4 chickens.
KG Pasay.
But what he does is
Watching from Mindanao, hello.
he buys eggs mass produced.
Italy. Hello.
You can tell from the
Catrins,
color.
Italy. Grabe kayo.
Pasteurized or very on.
That's another place I want to go. I really want to go to Italy, guys.
Bro,
They don't have this.
in Aruba.
Sana makapunta kami ni Miss B and Katie sa Italy.
So orange.
Huwag ka bibitaw, Mr. B, kasi kapit na kapit.
My pasteurized eggs are $8, $9.
Tingin nyo, bibitaw ako? Hindi ako bibitaw.
So it's like you're basically screwed when you live here. It's like you got this, but it's like food wise. Gas is actually better.
Nakupuyat. Thank you. KKK Fam France chapter. Hello, bonjour. Grabe. KKK is worldwide, baby.
Take this much into account. I'm like, no, I just want to listen to my body. You know, sometimes like, I've been doing this long,
Hi, Lizelle.
which makes me feel a lot better. I don't like 12 hours more, at least 16 sometimes. One good meal a day. Because I also read that
This is my breakfast, guys, and it's 2 p.m. here.
back then, humans would very rarely, the meals were spread out for days.
Uy, salamat sa mga nagla-like dyan. Nang-heart, thumbs up. Ano naman?
Back then, we were just money. You earn something.
Oh, it's 2 o'clock.
You expect it to eat so
Okay.
quick because that means you have to go on.
Guys, okay lang po ba na lipat tayo sa Red App?
I like to watch it.
Hindi kasi ako madalas mag-live sa Red App, so kailangan ko palakasan yung Red App ko. Alright? So, I'll see you guys
You got enough fat.
on the Red App.
Fat like I can last
Okay?
months.
Maraming salamat. See you on YouTube. There, I said it. Love you.